Hey, car lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the 4 best car vacuum cleaners of 2024. Keeping your car clean has never been easier, and we're here to show you why a car vacuum cleaner is a must-have for any vehicle owner. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 1. Zuited Car Dust Collector. The vacuum cleaner is also small and lightweight enough to be used to clean other small spaces, such as your home, office, or RV. This cleaner is equipped with a variety of features that make it the perfect cleaning tool for your car. Equipped with an LED light that makes it easy to see in dark areas, such as under seats or in the trunk. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Features: Wit Gerus met LED lift, Gestjicht voor bediening en het donker. Wasp-AR filter, Spolen schoon, Droog, geen behoefte te vervangen. Multi-purpose reiniging, handgrepen onderzettels, spletten, slots, en meer. Vacuum MN blow-up. Filter is Wasp-AR. Portable en gemakkelijk te winkel, draadloos autostofzuiger met opvouwbaar handvat. High-power zuigkracht. 45-watt krachtig, motor-generated 80,000 bar sterk zuigkracht. Zuigen weg stof, hair, puin anderville, in the auto. The cleaner is the perfect cleaning tool for your car. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use. If you are looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner for your car, the Zuited Car Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect choice for you. Order yours today. Number 2. Drayton XE80 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Drayton Vacuum Cleaner has a powerful suction that can pick up dirt, dust, and debris from the inside and outside of your car and makes it easy to vacuum your home and office. Also, this vacuum cleaner can also be used to blow dust off of surfaces such as furniture, electronics, and appliances. Pure copper motor. The pure copper motor is not easy to rust, and the suction power can reach 8,000 p. 8,000 p strong suction. The powerful suction of 8,000 p is suitable for cleaning cars, homes, and offices. Washable filter. The filter can be disassembled and washed with water and can be used multiple times. 4,000 mAh built-in battery. The upgraded battery capacity is larger and safer. It can work continuously for about 30 minutes in a fully charged state. Small size, easy to store. The mini cup body can be placed in the car cup slot or car storage box. 2 nozzle accessories. This product is equipped with a wide nozzle and a long nozzle suction tip and a brush suction tip can be applied to clean up all kinds of garbage. Number 3. Basius, a 1 mini car vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner arrived quickly and in a well-packaged box. It is made of metal and plastic. It weighs only 380 grams, is small and light. It is easy to carry. The vacuum cleaner has a 2-in-1 suction nozzle, which can be used for car and desk cleaning. It has strong suction and can pick up dirt, dust, and debris. 4,000 PA suction. Fast, clean dust and dirt with high-speed motor generating concentrated suction power. Precision filtration system. The HEPA filter is highly efficient in stopping dust, with a removal efficiency of over 99.7% for particles below 0.3 microns in diameter. One-hand operation. Handheld designs for effortless and instant wireless vacuuming. Battery life. 2,000 mAh high-performance battery to vacuum your car with a single full charge. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning tool for your car, desk, or other small spaces, the Basius 1 mini car vacuum cleaner is a great option. Number 4. Ole Car Vacuum Cleaner Auto Robot. Are you looking for a powerful and versatile handheld vacuum cleaner, which can keep your car, home, and office clean? Look no further than the Ole handheld vehicle vacuum cleaner. Ole vacuum cleaner has strong suction. It can easily pick up dirt, dust, and debris from the interior and exterior of your car and makes it easy to vacuum your home and office. Aviation Special Motor. New upgrade of new technology in colleges and universities. Superpower. Enhanced speed 100 times. Experimental test speed up to 355,000 RPM. Comfortable mute use without disturbing powerful performance but steady voice. Tight engagement of components reducing vibration noise. Optimization of air duct reducing wind resistance and noise. Gidi Bayo noise reduction composite cotton reducing rotor vibration sound. Motor suspension design reducing resonance noise. Optimization of exhaust pipe reducing exhaust howling. Optimal noise reduction of impeller reducing air resistance and noise. Dynamic balance noise reduction reducing rotor vibration sound. Motor equipped with brushless motor reducing rotor friction noise. Longer battery life can easily make home car hygiene cleaner. The dual core frequency conversion chip can easily manage the cleaning work in the car and at home, can release the current reasonably under the monitoring and coordination of the intelligent power supply management system, and can cooperate with the air cooling system to ensure the continuous and excellent operation of the battery pack, which can clean a larger area at once. You can subscribe to this channel to get more such informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.